guys doing today guys? What we're going to do is we're going to open up a package that just arrived for the new computer build. I do believe this is a very important package. Very important package. The most expensive thing that is going in the computer is in this package. So let's go ahead and open this up on camera. Make sure it's not bricks and sticks, not a broken, non-essential item. Not some scammeroo, you know what I mean? I've never had an experience like that personally in Lazada. This is from Tech 2027. They had very positive reviews. They have made this a very safe package. Let's get it open. Get it open. This is whew, the unboxing of the unboxing. Okay, we'll throw down the paper. Like a Christmas present. Okay. And what do we have here? More bubble wrap. Man, they were taking it serious when they shipped this. So I got this because there's nobody doing a review on this particular model. And I want to do a review on this model here, the Gigabyte RX 680 4K UHD gaming, 6 gigabytes of RAM. Now I'm going to open up this. I'm going to open it up right now, and just look at the card. We're not putting together the computer at this very moment. We're still waiting on the CPU, the RAM to get in. We already, if you caught the video of the, oh God, look at this sleek box. Look at the beauty. Oh, if you caught the AIO water cooler, graphics card, quick guide, some foam, and the big now if you can see that it's very minimalistic, and so minimalistic. I think that's all that's in the box. Yeah, that's it. You guys want to see this being installed, the full computer build, the specs, the comparisons of other specs that have been put online of other RX 680s and 3070s, RTX 3070. Stick around, hit the subscribe button, maybe like the video, leave a comment down below if you suggest that a different card for different reasons. But this is the card I went with. I'm going with the all Gigabyte build, it seems. Gigabyte motherboard, Gigabyte CPU. Let's just throw this one back in here. This expensive behemoth. And this beautiful box. I love it. Love that matte black with the shiny black. And we're just going to throw it back in here. So, yeah, subscribe, like, comment, all of the things. And we'll see you next time, guys and girls. Thank you for sticking around through the whole video. Bye-bye.
Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the reasons